What up, everybody? Working on getting back into videos. As some of you guys may have known, I started another YouTube channel on my e-bike, drone, all that fun stuff, and that's kind of been getting away from me, but I have not forgotten about you guys. We are back by popular demand. We're going to do some more spec mines and get back into this whole crypto thing now that we've made some profits and spent some of those profits. Bitcoin's currently trading at $101,216,222 dollars. Definitely not looking bad. We did see a little bit of a retracement down to like 94. Hopefully you guys have been buying the dips, all that fun stuff. But yeah, not gonna waste your time. It's gonna be a relatively quick video. Like always, like, comment, subscribe, check out the links down below, and let's get into it. Okay, so today's spec mine is going to be AkitaCoin. I'm pretty sure I saw this project over, not necessarily this project, but like a meme coin or something with this name over on like the Alphium or whatever that one is, blockchain, or I'm pretty sure I saw it somewhere. But yeah, they're using it now. It runs on the K1pool algorithm with a block reward of 4,750, total supply of 21 billion, 5% dev fee, that's 250 coins, and a block time of about a minute. No exchanges, none of that fun stuff. Cryptic dev. They do have a Twitter apparently, with nothing on it. Joined back in April, so interesting, but that's not why we're here. So like always, when you're downloading the wallets, make sure you guys are safe. Don't download anything sketchy, because you never know, this project could be a giant like scam or whatnot. As far as the white paper, because it's a meme token, I'm gonna assume it does nothing, but you have to download it, and I'm not downloading that. Yeah, fast, secure, community-driven cryptocurrency built on robust proof-of-work model with a total supply of 21 billion. Having schedule every 4 years. Yeah, I doubt that's going to happen, but cool. So we are going to come over to our favorite pool, our plant. Give you all your information here. The two miners we're going to utilize in this video are going to be T-Rex for Windows, because I'm lazy and love T-Rex, and Team Red Miner for Hive OS, because I have an AMD card over there. So we're just going to come over here, pick a miner running on Windows. Just easier to do it that way to get your whatever, your command line. You're going to paste in your wallet address. This is not my Akita wallet address, but I don't feel like pulling it up right this second because I was supposed to record this video last night and did not. So yeah, and then I always turn off the use SSL. Yeah, so you'll get your command script here. So for Windows, figure out whichever miner you're going to use. Go ahead, download it, extract it, do all those fun things. I'm going to be using T-Rex. You can go ahead, find any other of the batch files, just right click, copy, paste, and then you can rename it Akita or whatever. You name it shitcoin mine K1pool project, whatever. Then you're gonna right click, hit edit. You'll get this, your command from our plant. You'll go ahead, paste that in there all the way up to the end of your worker name, and then you're all good, all set to go. Go ahead, file, save. Go ahead, run that, and then for you Hive OS folks, just as easy, go over to your wallets and you're going to go add wallet coin. You're going to have to do a custom one. Hit create, paste in your wallet address. I always like to name it, whether it's the GUI or the web wallet. Hit create, come over to your flight sheets. Coin ticker, you're going to do Akita, wallet, my GUI, pool, configure, and miner. And because I'm using an AMD card, I'm going to use Team Red Miner. If I had an NVIDIA card, I'd probably use T-Rex Miner. Hit setup. For our algorithm, we're going to do K1pool wallet.worker name, paste in your URL, your pool stratum there to there, hit copy on that, go ahead and paste it here, and then don't really need any extra configs or anything like that. Hit apply changes, and then go ahead, name your flight sheet, create flight sheet, and then you're off to the races. So yeah, that's pretty much how you get it set up. Quick, fast, and simple. Yeah, we'll definitely see what happens of this project. And yeah, but for those of you who are still watching the video, thank you so much. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below, do all those fun things. But so one thing I was testing with this particular project, and I'm gonna test on one more project before I go ahead and drop a video on it, but I did rent some hash rate from MiningRigRentals, by far perfect name, and I did test that, so we will be talking about that pretty here soon. I got some pretty interesting results. I can't complain. In the course of like 6 hours, I mined 31,000 of this coin, which, I mean, seeing as granted this is like a low like shit coin spec mine, so it's probably not going to be worth anything, but if it does get like a relatively decent like list price and I can actually on an exchange that's usable, could be potentially. Well, I think I spent like $4 or something like that, and like Dogecoin or something. And so if it makes more than $4, hey, it's worth it. But we will definitely see. That's kind of going to be it for the rest of the video. You guys have a nice day. Hopefully it pops off. We all get rich and can quit our jobs. If not, come back for the next spec mine and we'll try again. Peace out.